Hi, I'm John Barber. Welcome to Ferrari World Abu Dhabi. Today, a challenge. We're here at the tyre change experience, and three of our guests are going to be taking on the cast of Lagara, the fastest team to change a tyre. Are you sure you're up to this?
We're all ready. We're ready to go.
Have you done this before?
I have once.
And what? Can you remember what the time was?
4.5.
Okay, the guys are in trouble if you got less than 5 seconds.
I had two of the helpers though.
Oh, okay. You tried it before?
No, haven't done this. It's all new.
Good job your hair is tied back, otherwise this week could be in trouble. They have the support. They have the support. Boys, are you ready to go?
Ready. Always ready.
Is this your first time in the tyre change experience?
Yes, it's my first time, but I will do my best to defeat this opponent.
They're big guys.
Yeah, but small but terrible.
Are you feeling the pressure?
Yeah, pressure.
Yeah, you're ready to go? Well, let's wait no more. Let's do it.
Yeah.
2, 1, go!
Seconds, ladies and gentlemen. 12 seconds for Lagara. Come on.
Ready?
Go.
.8 seconds. Yeah. I got that out. That is impressive. These guys are normally quick.
But I think they just we're lucky. We have the mistake during the locking of the.
It seems like they had great fun here this afternoon. Is it like that all the time?
Yes, sir. It's always we have fun. You know, Ferrari World is full of fun over here. Come and join with us.
If you want to have a great time at the Tyre Change Challenge and all of the other rides and attractions, join us here at Ferrari World Abu Dhabi.